Can you relate to this scene? You have a repair or maintenance to do, but are stuck doing it in your driveway, in a parking lot, on the street, or, if you're a little more fortunate than some, in your garage on jack stands. What if I told you there was an affordable and professional way to get your car back on the road? That's right, no more hot summer days on your back, covered in oil or other fluids. Your car does not have to sit for days on end. Instead, you can have it back on the road in just a few hours for most jobs. Enter OpenBay Garage, a real DIY garage that lets you rent a lift and use their professional tools to get the job done. But it doesn't stop there. OpenBay is also an enthusiast gathering point, a safe hangout for customers and friends, a place where you can store your precious car safely and be around like-minded enthusiasts. While OpenBay is in a specific location, the concept itself seems to be gaining momentum around the world. Let's take a closer look at this location and see what it has to offer. What's going on, guys? This is Christian with Forward Momentum, and I have a special episode for you today. I am at OpenBay Garage in Tukwila, Washington. And the reason I came here is because as a kid and as a young person working on cars, I always dreamed of a place to put my car on a lift and to work on it. So let's go inside and check this place out. Now they're big on a sense of community here, so you can see a cool hangout spot right in the middle. Over here we have some driving and racing simulators, some merch, and as you make your way around back this way, long-term vehicle storage is available. You can store your vehicle in a safe environment where you can log in and take a peek at your car at any point. There is a fire suppression system here, a camera system, a security system. Your car is going to be safe here. So if you do need long-term storage, they offer that here at OpenBay Garage. Be sure to go to the video description for the link to their site if you're interested in long-term storage. And of course, the primary concept, which is work on your own car on a professional lift with professional tools. So right here, we have lift number 1 and lift number 2. We have a lot more, but a few things I want to note. $50 an hour right now, current pricing, to get your car up on a lift with access to mechanics tool set at every bay. Also, they have screens so you can pull up videos on YouTube or whatever you need to be working on your car properly. And you can put coilovers on in 2 hours for $100 and save yourself a lot of money. Also, the hexagon lighting, it's pretty amazing in here. They have a press, they have hoists, engine pullers, all sorts of tools. Fluid reclamation, if you have fluids that you're going to be changing on your car, and then they recycle over there in the corner. You can see somebody probably did an exhaust system. That would be super easy on one of these lifts as well. They have 8 lifts total at this time. Behind me are lifts 3 through 8.
Other one is automatic?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely some of the popular highways as well. Oh yeah.
This is something I dreamed of as a young man as I was working on cars on my back under jack stands, kicking transmissions, trying to get them out, replacing clutches, all of those things. I really appreciate their sense of community here, and they have a Cars and Donuts every Saturday here at this location where you can park out in the parking lot and hang out with like-minded enthusiasts. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. It was a little bit of a different thing that I was able to do to showcase this amazing place. They have quite a few of these popping up now around the country, but this is one of the best ones that I've seen. Be sure to like and subscribe and go to the video description to check out more about OpenBay Garage in Tukwila, Washington. Thanks. See you on the next one.
Wow, that's a lot faster.